You've read the headlines, you need to boost your microbiome. But what is the microbiome and why is it so important? I'm talking with Professor Justin O'Sullivan, Director of the Liggins Institute. You could say he's the microbiomic man. So what is the microbiome and why is it so important?
So your microbiome are the organisms that live on you. They live on all of your surfaces, they live in your gut. They are bacteria, phages, so little viruses that attack bacteria, eukaryotic cells, a whole lot of organisms. They affect your health, your well-being, and your development.
How exactly do you study the microbiome?
The way we look at the microbiome is very simple. So we take your stool, your poo, we extract DNA from it and we sequence that DNA. And when we do that, we actually see the DNA of all the organisms that live in your gut.
So this community of gut bugs plays an important role in our health processes, right?
So the bacteria that are in your guts particularly, we know a bit about how they affect our health and well-being. So we study how they affect metabolic syndrome, and we can show that particular bacteria associate with and change your metabolic syndrome. That's obesity, diabetes, insulin resistance, lipidemia, those sorts of features of our health. But the bacteria can also affect your brain and your mental cognitive activities. And they do that by changing things like the amount of tryptophan that you have or changing the amounts of serotonin that can be produced from tryptophan.
When did we start learning that modern life had upset our microbiome and how can we fix that?
There are a lot of studies going now that are actually identifying new organisms that we think really will have an impact. So we can restore our microbiome in different ways. Simple way is diet. You want to eat things that are diverse. You want to eat diverse numbers of plants, so different types of plants, seeds, nuts, probably less burgers. We want to eat diverse.
Stay tuned for more expert tips in 2 minutes here with smart minds at Waipapa Taumataro, University of Auckland, bringing you research news you can use.